Hi there, how's your day going?
Hey, it's been good, thanks.
Any exciting plans for the weekend?
Not really, just catching up on some reading.
Have you seen any good movies lately?
Yeah, I watched a great comedy last night.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Not really, but I can manage a decent pasta.
What's your favorite type of music?
I'm into indie rock.
Coffee or tea?
Definitely coffee. Can't function without it.
What's your favorite, cats or dogs?
Dogs, no doubt, they're so loyal.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
Night owl for sure, mornings are not my thing.
Do you have a favorite hobby?
I enjoy painting. It's my way of relaxing.
Favorite childhood memory?
Going on road trips with my family. Those were the best.
What's your dream vacation destination?
Bora Bora, surrounded by clear blue water.
Do you believe in ghosts?
Not really.
What's the last book you read?
I just finished a mystery novel. Kept me hooked till the end.
If you could have any superpower, what would it be?
Teleportation, no more traffic. How about you?
What's your favorite season?
Autumn, the colors and cool weather are perfect.
Do you have a favorite quote?
The only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts of today.
Any upcoming plans or goals?
Planning a short trip next month. Excited to explore a new place.
Where do you come from?
I come from London.
What is your family name?
My family name is Brown.
What's your telephone number?
My number is 845-676.